Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can factory reset your Samsung smartphone. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. The first thing you need to do is to access your settings. Once you access to your setting, you need to scroll down where you will find General Management. So once you find General Management, you need to tap on that. You need to scroll down where you will find the reset option. So all you need to do is to tap on reset. And in reset, you need to scroll down where you will find factory data reset right at the bottom. So you need to tap on that. And here, as you can see, all data will be erased from your phone if you factory reset. So you should keep that in mind. All these things will be deleted. Plus your personal, the Google account where you signed in, all will be deleted as well. All these applications will also be deleted. So if you are agree, all you need to do is to tap on the reset option, and it will ask your the code or the pattern, the security pattern that you put on your phone. Once you do that, after that your phone will be restarted and all this data will be erased. So guys, this is all it takes to factory reset your Samsung smartphone. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.